I am in a beautiful home in the San Diego area where the residents just moved in, and that's why I'm here with Kate from Classy Closets. Kate, I know that when people move into a home, it's a time you often come in and do a closet organization to get them started on the right foot. With this particular closet, what did you notice, and what are some of the things that, some of the recommendations you might make? Let's start with what you noticed.
Okay, what I noticed was shoes on the floor, a hamper basket sitting on the floor at the back wall. But particularly, you see this back wall here where there's no hanging? That is, I would put all double hanging there because it sticks out further, and have less hanging on either side so that it feels more open when you walk into the closet.
I can imagine that, but I don't have to imagine it because we have some drawings that you've done. So tell me about some of these here. What are we seeing in here?
And what we're seeing in here, as you come in the door, I did a double hamper, I did some drawers, I did some deep shelves, I did some medium hang for the dresses. I did double hang all the way across the back wall here, shoe shelves here, and the long hang here.
And the shoe shelves to get the shoes off the floor, that's a major upgrade. For me, it would be a huge thing. Here we're looking at the dresses?
So here's the dresses, the shoes, and then this is the back wall with all the double hanging. And then you see where the medium hang dresses are with some shelves up above, and a drawer stack, a hamper with another drawer, and deep shelves for folded clothes. And then on top here, you can put the blankets and whatnot because the top shelf is deep. Basically what I say is, here's your long dresses, here's your boots, here's your shoes. Not being, balshy saying this is where you have to put stuff. But basically, this is the way that the closet will flow the best and it will make you happiest because it's the easiest to use.
And I think that's one of the keys, is making you happy and changing your life, transforming the way that you live. And you mentioned earlier when we were talking before we came on camera, that it's a feeling of more peace and tranquility when you walk into the closet.
Correct, yeah. It makes you calmer because you're not tearing your hair out wondering where everything is. And I like to, divide it into, for example, in the closet, there's the black tops. Put those all together so that it's coordinated.
Thanks so much, Kate. If you want tranquility and peace in your closet space, you need to get a free consultation from Classy Closets. You can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.